Hey, it's Frank here with 4D Honeybee, August 21, and it's going to be a challenging day in the bee yard today. I am on my way to buy a new queen because that queen that I've had in the struggling hive is still there. She's still plump and beautiful. I was in the hive yesterday checking it out, but she is not laying. She may be injured. She's defective in some way. The bees have been trying to make supersedure cells. They have been making supersedure cells mid-season, so in the last 3 weeks, I'd say I found 5 supersedure cells. I let the hive sit for 2 weeks without touching it, just to really get a good idea of what's going on or what's not going on. All the supersedure cells were destroyed, so the queen is not wanting to be superseded. They have not run her out of town, so unfortunately I have to pinch that queen and put in a new queen. Our weather is great. We still have, depending on weather, we still have a good month and a half of laying time for these queens, so they can get through a couple of brood cycles through there. So, and there's a decent amount of bees in that hive. Good enough that the option for now and the decision is to requeen. I'm on my way to buy the new queen. Hopefully I'll be able to show you that operation. It's pretty neat. And then I will head to the yard and do my best to find the queen, pinch the queen, and start that hive anew with a brand new laying queen. So might be a difficult one. I haven't done this before, so thanks for joining me at 4D Honeybee.
See the multiple eggs down in the bottom, down in there, because she doesn't have enough pulled out frame and bees to support herself. She's just overproducing.
Right.
So when they're younger, they do all that. So we'll put them over here on this side. Oh, we've got a, well, this is what I was looking for, what I brought over. This is a brood, drone brood. This is green drone brood, so it's wider. The holes are larger for them to, and I don't want that in the middle. I want that to the number 2 position. So,
And you're still wanting drones made this late in the season?
well, there is actually, believe it or not, I have about 5 queens out there now. This one didn't have any queen, I don't think, did it? Yeah, no queen. Okay, so that's fine. Well, we'll put that in number 2. And then we'll just make sure there's no queen on here, no eggs. No. Just a lot of pollen and quiet bees.
You're starting to bring in the goldenrod, it looks like. Right?
Well, a little bit, probably, yeah. Doesn't smell. Well, it does smell a little bit like goldenrod. Goldenrod really stinks when it's getting put down into honey consistency.
Oh, really?
It really stinks. You see how they're fanning now? They're saying, "Where's my queen? Where's my queen?" Type of thing. So we had a little guy here. So we had. Let's empty the. This is the one where we just took the queen. So we'll put her in there, and then we'll just locate it in here. Lots of eggs. Make sure she goes in. She could be on the side of the wall, and I don't see her, but
It looks like something is swarming right now.
that was my first one 30 years ago. I had one in September.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Where do you think they're swarming from?
I have no idea. They've already taken out of they're already coming out of the hive. Well, not from this little thing. Okay, inner cover. And lid. Okay, wrong pen. they circulating?
Hard to
Still
tell.
haven't made up their mind where
Yep.
to go. August 22. No. Set up. Clean. Questionable. Okay. Well, I put the rock at the back stating I'm looking for eggs.
Right.
And a new queen. Here we'll just dump these out. Hopefully find a way. I don't want this box around anymore.
Might as well just make their way back
They'll
into
make
their
their way someplace.
appropriate
That's
hive.
all.
Yeah.
If not, so what?
Looks like it's settling down a bit already, or they've decided which way they're
It
going.
could be, I got those virgins, I got about 5 virgins running around, so they could be, when she comes out to mate,
Yeah.
that happens, there's a few, oh, here they're circulating around here.
Oh yeah.
They might be going to that tree. Yeah, they're gathering.
Can't say I've ever seen a swarm firsthand. A lot of bees. Look at them all. Wow, this is stunning. It's crazy to be in the middle of this with short sleeves.
All right?
Oh yeah. Wow. We see a lot of drones flying. Amazing to be in the middle of this. That's pretty cool. It looks like it. There's a lot of drones.
They're not concentrating, yeah, you're right, there's a lot of big guys. They're not concentrating on one particular direction.
Very neat. So it's so easy to film them too with that white backdrop.
Right.
Really get an idea of what's going on.
So I'll see if I can find it. Joe written on it.
So now I guess you'll check this in a couple days to see if
I won't touch this
queen is in
there.
there.
7 or 8. I don't want to disturb it.
Okay. Yeah.
That's what I could do. Beautiful.
Yeah. So it's a very likely sign that a queen is making her way in there, or has made her way in there, right?
Definitely she's going back in there.
That's a lot of bees.
And with that big cluster at the front. I don't know, it's because of the wood here. And you can almost smell the difference.
Yeah, really. Eh?
Putting up that jazzy on this on the birds. So here's home, here's home.
Yeah.
Yeah, the cluster right here, so there's a queen here. Well, they don't like this one, they're balling her. Yeah, they don't like her.
Now, what can you do to save her?
Well, I just put her in another box. Still trying to sting her. Oh, because this one got inside. Oh well. Hurt her, I don't think. There you go. That's how you capture a queen.
It's a great experience.
Yeah, they're getting along okay, but she's not trying to sting that one.
So do you think that queen was out on a mating flight? Can you tell if
probably.
she's fertile or not?
Yeah. I could introduce her a little slower, like in other words.
Yeah, more of a timed release.
I could baby this one and I have an incubator inside and I could keep her warm at that temperature and keep feeding her in there.
Interesting. Very good. What a great experience. Thanks for sharing with us.
Sure. There you go. Lucky you stuck around.